So here's a new door. As you guys saw, I brought it back from the junkyard. Very good. And I'm ready to rock and roll. Ready to get the car, remove it, and start removing the door. But there's a problem. I cannot remove the door right here. It's stuck right here, so I'm actually gonna have to cut this right now.
Final gates to open to a new tomorrow. Moving with the motion.
As you guys can see, the door doesn't open, right? It stops right there. Because the fender, it stops the door that smashed right here, right? So that means we have to cut it right here to actually be able to open the door and we actually be able to unscrew it. So let's get going. Alright, I'm gonna do this right now. I'm gonna cut it right now, okay? Just plain, I was gonna cut it. This one way of doing it. It really works. I like my new drill. It really works right there. But same thing, remove the door, remove the wheel. We're gonna remove this and then remove the fender and then remove the door. Simple steps, but let's get to it. I don't feel it in every single thing. Let's remove these things. Also rinse the fender. It's a little loose. So we got the door off, good. We have to disconnect it, good. And I think the hinges are actually good. Cool, awesome. So less work for us. So now let's just remove this thing right here.
Dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow. Moving with the motion, following the light that sets me free.
Alright, this is another screw number one. Yeah. Almost. So finally, got the old hinges out. This is the new hinges. Finally, I hammered this. So you go inside. I'll show you before picture of anything, but there wasn't much. Just hammered it, just to try to make it flat as much as I can. But now I'm gonna put it back the door. Alright, so I got it good, right on the money almost. It's a good fit. I saved my car. Now I just have to put the screws. Alright, here goes nothing. First screw. Let's get going,